Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in Bumble account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Bumble application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here Bumble application has been opened. You'll be able to find the sign up and sign in methods over here. You'll be able to find the options for continue with Google, continue with Facebook, use cell phone number. So simply tap on the sign in method that you used while you signed up for your account. Here I'm just going to tap on the option continue with Google. Now you'll have to choose an account to continue. Simply tap on the Google account you used to create the account for yourself. Now you can see over here you'll be logged in to your account. So that is how you log in Bumble account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.